Okay, my favourite food is a roast dinner, specifically roast chicken. And Orson's favourite food is, I want to say, steak for a safe, or burger, potentially pizza or lamb with mint sauce. I'm going to go pizza, margarita.
My favourite food is probably, so it's got to be between a burger, pizza or pasta. Probably, I think. But out of them, probably a pizza. So that's my favourite pizza, margarita pizza specifically. Amelia's favourite food, I'm thinking, she really likes Bubble and Squeak, but that's a bit random and I don't think that's her favourite. But I think Bubble and Squeak, that's what I'm going to go with. Right, Amelia probably won't get this, but I think my favourite is between Interstellar, but I think my actual favourite is the Hunger Games, specifically Hunger Games 2, Catching Fire. So one of them. I think Amelia's favourite film could be The Aristocats. I can't think of anything else.
Okay, my favourite film is The Sound of Music or Aristocats, but I'm going to say Sound of Music is the favourite. Orson's favourite film, I had a guess in my head. Oh, what was it? I'm going to say like Surf's Up, but I don't think that's right. I actually don't know this one. My favourite artist is Jungle, and I think Orson's is Dua Lipa, but he also likes Jungle.
Okay, my favourite artist is Dua Lipa. I think Amelia's favourite artist is also Dua Lipa, but if we're talking about a band, then Amelia's favourite band is Jungle. For colour, my favourite colour is blue. I'm going to say, actually, I like all blue. I don't care if it's dark or light, I like them all. I don't know what Amelia's favourite colour is. I won't lie to you. I don't think it's pink. I'm like pretty sure anyway. I'm thinking green. Green is... I'm going to go with green as my final answer.
My favourite colour is teal. So like a nice sky blue, like bluey green, sea green. Orson's, I think... I do wear a lot of pink, but it's my favourite colour. Orson's, I think, is baby blue. My favourite animal is a serval, so it's like a big cat. Orson's favourite animal, I want to say it's a dog, specifically toy poodle. I don't know.